Welcome back to the sweatshop, boys and girls. Today we're going to be changing wiper blades on this 2009 Subaru Forester. Your first step is going to be to check the wiper blades that you have purchased to see if they are the appropriate length. Make sure that they are, because you don't want to be putting on stuff that's too short or too small. Take your brand new wiper, set it beside the wiper that is to correlate with the specific size that you bought, and make sure they are the same. As you can see, we bought the right wipers. Do the same for the passenger side, and then I'll show you how to swap them out. In order to change your wipers out, what you're going to have to do is extend the arm upward like this. Make sure that when you grab it, it doesn't want to spring back like this. If it does, hold on to it, because if it lands in the wrong position, it can crack your windshield. The same goes for when you have the wiper off of the J-hook. The J-hook itself, or the wiper arm, is metal and will crack your windshield quite quickly, so be really careful of that. If you're unsure of the wiper arm, take a rag and place it where the J-hook would land. That way, when it falls back down, possibly like that, it ain't gonna break anything. So what we are looking at is the J-hook here, and this is the clip here that retains the wiper. The wiper currently is in the upright position, and what we're going to do is twist it like this, opposite way round back. We're going to depress this clip here, move the whole assembly downward, detaching it from the J-hook. Now just take your time with it. They can be kind of stiff sometime. It takes a little bit of finesse. That's your wiper there, detached from the J-hook, and there is your metal J-hook. With your aftermarket wipers, you most times will have something like this. This is a Bosch wiper blade, and if you have one, this is exactly what you need to do. If you don't have one, essentially you're gonna have a little hook like this, a little plastic piece that comes in your package or your wiper blades. Sometimes they do attach differently. Don't be alarmed if it looks slightly different. Nothing to really be stressed out about. The most common type of hook used for wipers and wiper arm systems are J-hooks. So although this looks like some kind of different contraption, it's not. The J-hook simply slides over like so, and then you pull it into place. Again, you'll have to put a little bit of force because it's meant to be that way so that the wiper blade does not fly off of the car when in use. Bosch or other types of wipers that have this sort of setup also have a secondary fail-safe besides the clip. You have this clip that kind of like a nose piece that clips down like that. In order to release this, if you're changing them out and you have a design like this, just squeeze the ends here on either side and pull up and away. And then to release this type of wiper, you just need to yank back on it. There is no tab to release it. So we're done with the driver's side. It is pretty much the exact same process for the passenger side. Not anything different or difficult. Just make sure you take your time and put a piece of cloth or sponge or something soft so that if for whatever reason you do bump your wiper arm by accident, it doesn't poke a hole in your windshield. That's never a good day. It's always a terrible experience and something that will drain your pocket faster than Uncle Trudeau's government will. Don't worry, boys and girls, I can't stand any government because they all take too much from us, conservatives as well as NDP or Looney Tunes as well, on some of the bullshit that they say. So what I am preaching is Canadian solidarity. Forget that red and blue bullshit. We're all the same, so let's fucking band together and protect our tax money as one Canadian nation. I should put that on my other fucking channel when I make it. So on some styles of vehicles, you're not going to be able to raise the wiper arm out of the way because it will collide with your hood. So we're going to show you as an example, if you can't do that at home, how you should change your wiper. If for whatever reason you can't get your wiper arm fully extended in a position where you can safely change your blade out without it having a collision with your windshield, what you would like to do is employ the use of a rag. What you're going to do is slightly raise the wiper arm and then sneak your finger in here between the clips so that you can actually slide it out like so. Again, be gentle with it. Make sure that your finger is firmly supporting the wiper arm, and then double up your cloth, quadruple it, whatever, just make a bunch and let the J-hook rest on the cloth and not the glass. Grab your new wiper, release the opening, prepare to put it into the J-hook. With the Bosch wipers, there are two little guides right there on the clip that help you to line it up properly. Make sure that the wiper clip is firmly up against the wiper arm, and then you can pull it home. Once you hear that clip, you are good to go. Then Close this nose piece or front piece of the wiper, and that is it, my friends. It is installed. It's as easy as that to install wiper blades, something you can definitely do by yourself at home with absolutely no tools. All you need is a working pair of hands and eyes to complete the job. Well, boys and girls, that's all she wrote for the Forester. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss one of my new videos. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Your first step is going to be to purchase your wiper blades. What? Fuck. In order to change your wipers out, what you're going to do... Fuck. It's a lot of fucking rambling. After you're done listening to me ramble on, and then move the whole assembly downward off of... And there you go, my friends. That is your wiper. On some vehicles with a J-hook style, it isn't always... What the fuck am I saying? God damn. On some vehicles with a J-hook style or any type of wiper system, realistically... I don't know what the fuck I'm saying again. Forget that red, white, or... No. Now I sound like fucking Trudeau again. So on some styles of vehicles, you won't be able to open up or open up. Fuck. What am I saying? Extend this fucking wiper arm. That seemed fucking redundant. And then prepare fucking compressor. Make sure it's settled in nicely, like slow, like, ugh, god damn. So I gotta stop saying that. Kind of hard to see with the camera angle that I have. What you want to do is make sure that they're seated properly, and then, why am I rambling so much? Fuck. Let's just line this up fucking properly. A great DIY job that you can do in the driveway on a Sunday or whenever. Well, fuck. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Fuck. Well, boys and girls, that's all she wrote for the Forester. Fucking compressor.